Okay, so Dave I helped him with the wall, except for that little section there. He did that. That's his hand. And he and Nick put the window back in today. So Dave painted the frame and all the windows back here. He's going to paint the frame that color. It's khaki beige, I think. But the window's in, and bedroom's coming along. He redid the wiring for the lights that go up there. Hopefully this weekend we have nice enough weather to take the rest of that back piece of roof off. I say we, I mean Dave. He took this window out because we have to do some wall repair over here, and he's going to spray the frame for the window to match the other one. And then we'll be painting soon. So I'm really excited. Everything's coming along. Thanks. Bye.